How was your first year engineering result, David?
My result wasn't good. I'm disappointed.
Have you told Mom and Dad about it?
No, I'm afraid to tell them.
Why are you afraid to tell them, David?
They worked hard, and I failed.
Do you understand their sacrifices for us?
Yes, they've given up so much.
Do you think you gave your best effort?
I didn't study as hard as I should.
Why didn't you put in enough effort?
I got distracted and procrastinated a lot.
How do you feel about disappointing them?
I feel terrible and ashamed, honestly.
Can you still turn things around, David?
Yes, I think I can do better.
What's your plan for the next semester?
I'll focus more and avoid distractions.
Do you understand the importance of education now?
Yes, it's crucial for our future.
How do you think Mom and Dad manage?
They work tirelessly, every single day.
Do you want to make them proud, David?
Yes, I want to make them proud.
What will you do to improve next semester?
I'll create a strict study schedule.
Will you ask for help if needed?
Yes, I'll seek help whenever necessary.
Do you know how much potential you have?
I'm starting to realize it now.
How do you feel about your future?
I'm determined to do better.
Can you focus on your studies without distractions?
Yes, I'll avoid unnecessary distractions now.
What's the most important lesson you've learned?
Hard work and focus are essential.
How will you manage your time better?
I'll prioritize studying over everything else.
Will you join study groups for help?
Yes, I'll participate in study groups.
How will you stay motivated throughout the semester?
I'll remember our parents' hard work.
What do you plan to achieve this year?
I want to pass with good grades.
Can you stay disciplined and consistent, David?
Yes, I'll work on being consistent.
How will you deal with tough subjects?
I'll focus more and practice regularly.
Do you know Mom believes in you?
Yes, and I don't want to disappoint her.
What about Dad? What does he expect?
He expects me to work hard and succeed.
How will you balance studies and leisure?
I'll limit leisure and focus on studies.
Will you stay committed to your goals, David?
Yes, I'm fully committed this time.
How will you measure your progress?
I'll track my grades and improvements.
Can you handle the pressure of engineering?
Yes, I'll learn to manage it.
What's your biggest challenge in engineering?
Understanding complex concepts quickly is challenging.
Will you ask professors for help, David?
Yes, I'll ask whenever I'm stuck.
How do you feel about your study habits?
They need improvement, and I'll work on them.
Are you willing to put in extra hours?
Yes, I'll study longer if necessary.
What's your strategy for the upcoming exams?
I'll start preparing well in advance.
Do you believe in your ability to succeed?
Yes, I'm beginning to believe more.
Will you avoid last-minute cramming this time?
Yes, I'll prepare steadily throughout.
How will you handle failure next time?
I'll learn from it and improve.
What will you do differently this semester?
I'll study consistently, without procrastinating.
Are you ready to take responsibility, David?
Yes, I'm ready to take responsibility now.
How can you motivate yourself daily?
I'll remind myself of our parents' sacrifices.
What will you tell mom and dad?
I'll apologize and promise to do better.
How do you think they'll react?
They'll be disappointed but supportive.
What's the most important thing right now?
Focusing on improving my grades is crucial.
Will you set realistic goals for yourself?
Yes, I'll set achievable, realistic goals.
How will you stay focused during exams?
I'll stay calm and concentrate on my work.
Will you stay positive despite challenges, David?
Yes, I'll maintain a positive attitude.
Do you understand the value of hard work?
Yes, hard work is the key to success.
How will you prepare for challenging subjects?
I'll break them down and study thoroughly.
Can you balance your studies and hobbies?
Yes, I'll manage my time wisely.
What will you do if you feel overwhelmed?
I'll take breaks and seek help if needed.
How can you stay organized this semester?
I'll keep a planner and stick to it.
Will you keep in touch with professors, David?
Yes, I'll maintain regular communication with them.
How will you handle group projects?
I'll contribute actively and collaborate effectively.
Can you stay motivated throughout the semester?
Yes, I'll stay focused and motivated.
How will you manage your time between classes?
I'll use free time for review and study.
Do you have a study group in mind?
Yes, I'll join a study group soon.
Will you attend all your classes, David?
Yes, I'll attend every class this semester.
How will you handle difficult exams?
I'll stay calm and prepare thoroughly.
What's your strategy for improving weak areas?
I'll focus more on those specific topics.
How will you balance your workload effectively?
I'll plan my time and prioritize tasks.
Can you see yourself improving academically?
Yes, I'm confident I can improve.
What's your biggest motivation right now?
Making our parents proud is my biggest motivation.
Will you keep up with all assignments?
Yes, I'll complete them on time.
How do you feel about next semester?
I'm determined to do better this time.
Will you avoid all unnecessary distractions, David?
Yes, I'll avoid them completely this time.
How will you stay organized during exams?
I'll prepare a schedule and stick to it.
Do you plan to seek additional resources?
Yes, I'll use extra materials for studying.
Will you take care of your health too?
Yes, I'll eat well and sleep enough.
How will you handle stress this semester?
I'll manage stress with exercise and relaxation.
What's your goal for the final exams?
I want to achieve good marks and pass.
Do you believe in yourself, David?
Yes, I'm starting to believe more now.
How will you deal with procrastination?
I'll create deadlines and stick to them.
Can you manage your time effectively now?
Yes, I'll be more disciplined with my time.
How will you stay motivated through challenges?
I'll keep our parents' dreams in mind.
What will you do if you fall behind?
I'll catch up quickly and stay on track.
Will you join extracurricular activities, David?
Yes, I'll join but stay focused on studies.
How will you keep a balanced life?
I'll manage time for both work and play.
Do you have any new study techniques?
Yes, I'll try active recall and spaced repetition.
Will you keep in touch with classmates?
Yes, I'll stay connected for study support.
How will you stay on top of assignments?
I'll keep a checklist and follow it.
Will you participate in study sessions?
Yes, I'll attend study sessions regularly.
How will you handle peer pressure?
I'll stay focused on my goals and studies.
What's your plan for weekends?
I'll use weekends for review and relaxation.
Will you manage your finances carefully, David?
Yes, I'll budget and save wherever possible.
How will you handle unexpected challenges?
I'll stay calm and find a solution.
Can you improve your communication skills?
Yes, I'll work on being more articulate.
What's your goal for this year, David?
I want to pass with flying colors.
Will you seek mentorship if needed?
Yes, I'll find a mentor for guidance.
How will you stay disciplined throughout?
I'll stick to my schedule and goals.
What's your strategy for handling stress?
I'll exercise and meditate regularly.
Will you avoid negative influences, David?
Yes, I'll stay away from negativity.
How will you measure your academic progress?
I'll track my grades and class participation.
Can you stay committed to your education?
Yes, I'm fully committed now.
What's the most important thing to remember?
Our parents' hard work and sacrifices.
How will you handle difficult situations?
I'll stay focused and find a solution.
Will you stay positive and motivated, David?
Yes, I'll keep a positive mindset.
How do you feel about your future?
I feel more hopeful and determined now.
Will you work hard to achieve your goals?
Yes, I'll work hard and stay dedicated.
What's your final thought, David?
I'm ready to make our parents proud.